Today I'm going to share with you my top 8 language learning strategies that I have used to become fluent in 4 foreign languages and that I have discovered through a lot of trial and error, so that you can hopefully apply these for your German learning and save a lot of the time, energy and pain that I had to go through when learning those foreign languages. I also have a free ebook, which is a 5-step guide on how to become fluent in German, where I go more in depth into this topic. So if you're interested in learning more, the link to download the free guide is in the description below. If you're new here, hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome and this channel is all about helping you build your confidence and conversation skills in German. So if this is what you're currently working on, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button for weekly content like this. Alright, los geht's! Number 1. Set study milestones. When faced with the idea of learning German, most of us feel overwhelmed. There are so many words to learn and so many different ways to study. So setting milestones and narrowing down your focus to taking one step at a time helps to stop worrying and just simply get started. Number 2, learn useful vocabulary. So when you're just starting to learn German, a useful place to start is by learning vocabulary around topics that you like to speak about and that appear in your daily life. This can help you to quickly build your understanding in a day-to-day setting, allowing you to have and follow basic conversations. I also share a lot of common phrases that native speakers use in my Instagram, so if you're interested in that, head over there. Number 3, study smart. When learning your vocab, you'll learn faster by using the very best study techniques, and what best means is totally up to you. Some people learn better with vocab lists, some like to visualize using mind maps, others swear on flashcards. Allow yourself to test things out and pick what works best for you. Then revise on a daily basis. Number 4, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is part of the process. It's better to just start speaking even if you are making a ton of mistakes in the beginning, instead of not saying anything at all. Mistakes are the best way to learn, so encourage German speakers around you to also correct you. Number 5, connect with native speakers. Communicating with new people in German is often intimidating, and I totally get that. I felt the same way with my foreign languages too. Oftentimes I had a sentence ready to go in my head, but I just couldn't open my mouth and actually say it. It only got better when I made that mindset shift and just started speaking, despite all these little voices telling me that I wasn't good enough, that I'm making a ton of mistakes, and so on. I gave myself no choice but to speak, and that eventually helped me to accelerate my language skills. I really wish someone would have encouraged me to do that a lot earlier, because that would have saved me so much time and pain. So in my opinion, training your mindset for learning a new language is just as important as doing grammar drills. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on this are. I'm curious to know. Number 6, use media such as TV shows, movies, music, news articles, podcasts, etc. To get familiar with the different ways in which people use German, watching, reading, and listening to as much German media is super helpful. I literally binge-watched Taiwanese TV shows and arranged weekly karaoke sessions with my friends. I'm not even kidding. So learning the song lyrics helped me to improve my reading tremendously, because when singing karaoke, you only have the Chinese characters on the screen to sing along. So that was definitely something that helped me a lot with improving my listening and reading skills, but also to expand my vocabulary. So if you want to use music for your German learning, then definitely check out this video right here. Number 7, don't get too hung up on grammar rules. Yes, grammar is important to help you string sentences together, but it's not the end-all be-all. It's just one component of many when learning German. Number 8, make it a habit. When you implement it into your daily routine, then you'll see progress a lot faster. I have a whole video on that right here as well. Alright, das ist alles für heute. If you want to learn more from me, I highly recommend checking out my free training for beginners, where I dive deep into German pronunciation, essential grammar, decoding daily life conversations, and a lot more. The link to register for free is in the description box below. And if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my weekly lessons. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis bald!